got my two variables up here and I've printed it out to the screen. But let's just say that I wanted to ask the user for the input for their name. I didn't want to give it the name of Harry. I wanted to ask them, the person who's going to be typing, what their name is. Up here, instead of putting Harry in these double quotes, I could use the keyword input and then open my brackets. And then let's just leave it like that. For now, I'm still assigning it to this variable name. So when I run this, you'll see that we get this kind of blinking icon here. So I could write in there the name and then press enter, and it will assign that value to that variable. I actually want to just ask the question just so the user is prompted for what their answer is going to be. Notice here now there's no space between the question mark and where the user's typing their name. So although the code works fine, I just need to go back and add a space in there like that, just to make it a little bit more easy to read. And I can do the same with the age. I can ask the user for their age, remembering to put a space. And now when I run it, it will ask for the name and the age, and then I'll print that out just to show you that it works. Let me try another example, and you can see how that updates. Now I've only got 4 or 5 lines of code here, but a really good technique, a really good habit to get into is to add comments around your code so you can understand what it is your code is trying to do, and it means that other people, when they read your code, they might be able to more easily understand it. And to do that in Python, we do the hash symbol like that, and then anything you write after that, Python is going to ignore. So at the top, I'm just going to write ask the user for their name and age, and then here I'm just going to write print out the greeting. Okay, so this is written in pseudocode, which means that it's not written out in any particular programming language. It's so humans can understand it, but it just is a really good habit to get into, just so it's clear what it is that your code should be doing, just in case you come back to it at a later point and you can't remember what you did.